What's the meaning of break even? Break even. Break even.
Break even. Break even. Break-even is a financial term that refers to the point at which revenues equal expenses and the company is neither earning a profit nor incurring losses. In other words, it is the point at which the costs of producing a product or providing a service are offset by the money made from selling it. At break-even, there is no net income or loss, and the business is simply able to cover its costs. For businesses, the break-even point is an important metric used for making decisions about pricing, production, and overall financial health.